Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the Amber Light. This is an AI-powered smart storage device, personal hybrid cloud. We have 1 terabyte of storage space. It's also a Wi-Fi hotspot and includes dual hard drives for RAID backup. And here's some details right here. It works with Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. So your iPhone, your iPad as well. It's AI powered, like I said. You can back up your camera roll to this device as well. Has TV casting. You can buffer free streaming right there to your devices and your television, and it's multi-user supported, including remote file sharing. There's so many options with this. All the details will be in the description for the device. Here's some details. You can go ahead and pause this anytime to check it out, but there are free apps as well for this. And now we'll get to the actual device. We've already taken it out of the box. Here's what it looks like from the front and from the top. It almost looks like a little smart speaker, but there's so much more going on inside. On the back, we have 3 Ethernet ports, and these are gigabit right here. This is the WPS Wi-Fi button, so you press that to connect additional Wi-Fi devices. You have a USB-A port, and that is USB 3.0 enabled. This is a USB-C port for other connectivity. You can hook it up to your television for media streaming. Right there is your power button, and of course, your power port. And that is it. And it's very whisper quiet when it's operating. It has 2 hard drives inside for that RAID backup protection. Such a cool device. And the setup process is super easy. It's basically 3 steps. Download the app, plug it into your devices, your modem, and your power right there. Turn it on. And it makes sure you connect it with your storage and set up your Wi-Fi. Now, if you already have a router and a Wi-Fi device for your home or small business, you can turn that portion of this off as well. And it also comes with all of the cables that you need. So here's a power cable, here's an Ethernet cable, and the power adapter. It's actually pretty small. We like that when they keep things small. Many more details will be provided in the description, but it almost fits in the palm of my hand. It's not that heavy either. They have different devices, but you'll want to check out Amber, which is the company that this comes from. This is called the Amber Light, but there's so many features and it's AI powered. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.